Hello my dear students, I am Dr. Kapil Patil. In previous video, we have studied the silent feature of class Amphibia. So in present video, we are going to study orders of class Amphibia. So I revised some silent features of class Amphibia. Amphibia, as we know, it's a Greek word. Amphi means both or dual, bios means life. Those animals which are living on water and land, that's animals belongs to the class Amphibia. Then when you see the skin of Amphibia, the skin of Amphibia is a moist and glandular. Skin secrete a mucus. That mucus is very necessary for the respirations. Amphibia showing a cutaneous respirations. And reptiles skin is rough, dry and scaly. It's an adaptation to store water and prevent the evaporation of water. So no exoskeleton found in a amphibia. As well as in amphibia, their skin consists of a chromatophore. So they are easily adjust with the environment. Camouflage is also found in amphibia. Amphibia belongs into the superclass Tetrapoda. So we can say the first class of first class of superclass Tetrapoda is a amphibia. Then Tetrapoda, you know very well, two pairs of limbs present. Two pairs of limbs present. Then after that, some amphibia is also limbless. Then their endoskeleton is a bony, as well as their heart is a three chamber, two auricle and one ventricle. This auricle is separated by partition, but no partition in a ventricle. Mixed type of bloods circulate in a body. So incomplete double circulations found in a amphibia. Then this amphibia showing indirect developments. Best example, frog showing a tadpole larvae. These larvae different from the adults. So see the orders. So this amphibia showing orders Apoda, order Urodela and order Anura is there. So Apoda example is a Ethophyes, order Urodela example is a salamander, order Anura example is a rana or frog. Rana tigrina is there. So class amphibia having a three orders. Order is extinct in condition. So three orders including Apoda, Urodela, Anura. Apoda, their meaning is that limbless. This animal is worm-like. Order Urodela. Urodela means tail amphibians. Well-known example is a salamander is there. And order Anura means tailless amphibians. Example Rana tigrina is there. So first the order Apoda. When you see the order Apoda, the A indicates absence of limbs. Limb totally absent. Worm-like body. Again limbless. Then these animals showing a burrowing habitats. Their skull is so compact. When you see the skull, their skull is so compact, as well as limb girdle is absent. In a Apoda, in a Ethophyes, limb girdle is absent. Eyes. These animals prefer to live in a dark area, so their eyes is a vestigial or covered by a skin. Their eyes is a covered by a skin. Then when you see the head, in a head region a tentacle is present, and the tentacles act as a chemoreceptor. These tentacle help to searching a food materials. Their tail is a rudimentary, short or absent. Their tail is a rudimentary and short. Then cloaca. Their cloaca is a terminals in positions. In a male, copulatory organ is present. Irreversible copulatory organ present in a male. Fertilization occurs internal type. Fusion of male and female gametes inside the body. Oviparous. This order is oviparous, egg laying. Parental care. So these are important term, parental care. So parental care is also observed in an order Apoda. Means parents caring and protective nature, shows the caring and protective nature about the eggs and young ones. So parental care is also found in order Apoda. So these are the one beautiful image of Ethopis, limbless, worm-like body, as well as these animals, Ethopis, generally found in a tropical region like Sri Lanka, Philippines, Java, Mexico, Argentina, as well as in some part of India is also there. Generally, these animals prefer a moist area. It is a blind animals or skin covered their eyes. Their size 30 centimeter. When you see their size 30 to 35 centimeter in size. Then after that a tympanum. So tympanum is absent in a Ethopis. Tympanum present in other orders, but tympanum absent in Ethopis. Their skull is so compact. As well as their tail is also rudimentary. Then in a male, copulatory organ is present, and their heart is also 3 chamber, 2 auricle and 1 ventricle. The highlighted point is that these animals showing a parental care. Ethopis showing a parental care. The female coil around eggs until they hatch. So such a kinds of parental care, protective nature found in a Ethopis. So these are the picture of Ethopis. Then our another order Urodela. Urodela, nothing but a tail amphibians. Tail amphibians belongs into the order Urodela. Their external features totally looks like a lizard. So lizard like animals. Well-known example, salamander is there. Their gills is a permanent, but gills found in a larval form. These gills absent in a adult form. In adults, no gills is found, no external gills is found. But when you see their larval forms, the red color bushy 3 to 4 pair of external gills found near a neck regions. So gills found in a larva, not in absent in adults. Paired limbs. In previous order, limbs absent, but in this case, paired limbs is present, and these limbs lift a body from a surface. Lungs present. In this order, lungs present and their tail laterally compressed. Then another characteristics, when you see tympanum and organ of Jacobson absent. Jacobson's, it's also bear a chemoreceptor, help to searching of food. So this organ is also absent in order Urodela. Gills, external 3 bushy red color gills present in a larval form. I already explained these points. Then oviparous, egg laying. This animal is a egg laying. See the picture of these salamanders. These salamanders is also, these salamanders is very brilliant in color. A yellow spot covering their body. It also known as a fire salamander. Lizard like body, generally size 12 to 15 centimeter in a length. In a salamander, female larger than the male. Yellow patches on the body, eyelid present. In a salamander, eyelid present. Movable eyelid, mobile eyelid present. forelimbs and hind limbs is also present. It helps to lift a body. As well as one peculiarity is there, when you see their head region, in a head region, so a poisonous gland, parotid glands present behind the head region. In this region, a parotid poisonous gland is present that help to protect from the enemies. Lung present in a salamander, as well as some species of the salamanders viviparous birth young ones. In this case, the larvae shows the gills, but in an adult no gill is there. In adult, lungs present. In their forelimbs, generally 4 digit is present. In their hind limbs, 5 digit is present. Mouth large in size, as well as pair of poisonous gland is also present. Fertilization, generally internal type of fertilization is also there. Then in this order Urodela, it shows a term neoteny. The salamander shows a term neoteny, means gonads mature at larval stage. I repeat again, order Urodela shows a concept, a term neoteny, means gonads mature at larval stage, means sexually mature at juvenile stage. It breeds like a mature. So gonad is mature in a larval stage. These are the information concerned with a salamander, order Urodela. Another order, Anura. Anura, nothing but tail absent. Best example, frog is there. Tail absent. In a frog, tail present in a larval condition, but in adult no tail is there. Body divisible into head and trunk. Then it includes frog and toads and frog. In a frog, their outer skin is so soft, and toad, their outer skin is rough as compared to frog. It's a difference between frog and toads. Then it's a carnivorous, feeding on a flesh matter materials. Insectivorous, feeding on an insect. In a frog, movable eyelids is present. A transparent movable eyelids is present. It protect, as well as this animal can see inside the water. Tympanum. See, the tympanum is present in a order Anura. Tympanum is absent in a Ethopis in first order. Then forelimbs present. Hind limbs is a larger, stronger than forelimbs. It helps for the leaping as well as swimming purpose. Then their skin is loosely attached to the body, moist glandular camouflage. Camouflage is found in a frog. With nothing wrong to say, frog is a master in a camouflage. It's a defensive mechanism. That in this case, animals hide themselves and protect from enemies, as well as these animals easily match with the surrounding. So their body is easily matched with the surrounding and protect themselves. That help for the protection, as well as it also help to approach the prey. Then fertilization is an external type. Male and female lay the egg simultaneously, and fertilization occur in a water. So water is very necessary for the fertilization. So this Anura order depends on water for the process of fertilization. Oviparous, it's a egg laying. See the picture of frog, Rana tigrina. It's very common and well known in our country. So the tail is absent, body divided into head and trunk. A bulging eyes. When you see the eyes, bulging eyes is present. Eyes is covered by a nictitating membrane. Then their mouth is a V shape, slightly V shape, as well as in a mouth homodont type teeth is present. Homodont, acrodont, polyphyodont, teeth is present. I already explained this point. Their teeth replace again and again. No play any role in mastication. Then after that, when you see in a male, generally male is smaller than the female, and nuptial pad on their forelimbs, a nuptial pad present in a male, and hocal sac in this region, throat region, hocal sac is present. These are the sexual dimorphic character in a male. This nuptial pad help to capturing a female during a process of copulation, as well as their size 12 to 20 centimeter. Then external nares, external nostrils is also present. Then eyes present on the lateral side to increase their visions. Then tympanum, behind the eyes in the posterior region, tympanum is present. Tympanum nothing but we can see it represent its function like a ears. So that are the basic information about the class Amphibia and their orders. So in their orders, three orders is there. Order Apoda. Best example is a Ithophyes. Worm-like animals, reduced tail. Then it show a burrowing habitat, eyes covered by a skin layer. Then another one, Urodela. Best example is a salamander. Tail Amphibia, lizard-like body, size 12 to 15 centimeter in a length, as well as forelimb and hind limb is present. In order Apoda, limb is absent, but in Urodela limb is present, and poisonous gland is also present. In larval condition, external gills is present, but in adult gills is absent, lung is present. It show a term neoteny, sexually mature at larval time. Then another one, Anura. In Anura, tail is absent, body divisible into head and trunk, forelimb is present with a 4 digit and hind limb with a 5 digit, as well as tail is absent. Okay, so these are the general information about this class Amphibia. Next time we will see the parental care. This parental care is also found in a Amphibia class. Means animals shows care and protection about their young ones and eggs. Thank you very much.